What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2010 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 1700. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. If you're interested in this bike, we're going to go over it pretty detailed. I think it's got like 4,300 miles on it. It's a really nice machine. We just got it in. Starting here in the back tire. See, the back tire is good. Plenty of tread life left there. Got your license plate mount with your turn signals here and here, and your tail light. I know those are self-explanatory, but pointing out some of that stuff. Just got a little bit of dirt there on that tail fender. There is this mark right here along the tail light. I'm not sure what caused that. It does look like whatever it was touched up, so it's sealed. There's no bare metal showing. Doesn't look like any rust or anything like that. But I did want to point that out. It's one of the few marks on this bike that I wanted to point out. Got your luggage rack, got the sissy bar. It does have the Vulcan bags here on the side, the leather bags. There you can see them. Got the little owner manual going on in there. There's the bag. Have your passenger floorboards there. It does have the air ride suspension, so you can add to it and adjust it, which is a nice feature. Got your side cover. See the exhaust there. Looks like it is factory, but in nice shape. Coming up here in the tank. See, the tank's in really nice shape. I mean, there's no marks up here in the tank that I can even find. I was looking for something because I know you guys are gonna be disappointed that I don't find anything, but everything that I thought was a mark was just like a little bit of dirt that just came right off. There you can see the Vulcan V-twin 1700 motor. Got the air cleaner there. Get in here so you can see all that. And there's that. Of course, you have your rider floorboard here. Got your rear brake. It does have the crash bars, which is nice. I'll spin it around. You can see the back of the mirror and the handlebars and all that. This one does have the windshield. If you guys watch a lot of the YouTube videos, you know that Sean's not a huge windshield guy, but this one came with it. Got your headlight and your 2 turn signals there. Try to get in here close on the 4 tubes so you can see them. They're in nice shape, upper and lower. No marks to speak of. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's like 4,300 miles. We're gonna see that for sure here at the end. Here you got your front brake. You can see that front wheel looking to be in good shape, and you got the front brake on the other side. There you go. Getting close on this fork tube. There's a turn signal there. There is that. Jump up here. We can see on the front fender, all the stuff's in good shape. I mean, literally anything on here is just dirt, comes right off. But there is one mark right here, right at my pointer finger. It's a little hard to see. See if I can get there. It's a little bit in the light there. It was touched up, whatever it was. So again, no exposed metal, no rust, anything like that. It was taken care of correctly. There's that. There you got your front tire. Front tire's about the same as the back. Good to go. Same thing with the tank on this side, in really nice shape. Like I said, everything that I thought was going to be a mark that I was going to point out is just a little bit of dirt that was just caked on there. So there's the tank on that side. Then you get your Vulcan V-twin. Again, from this side, get in here close as I can. Go over all that. It does have the 6-speed transmission, which is nice. Having that extra gear is always really nice on the highway. Got your rider floorboard, toe shifter, heel shifter. Got your crash bar there. Of course, you have your kickstand here. It is belt driven, so you can see the beginning of the transmission there. Got your side cover, air suspension. You can see your belt guard back in here. Got your passenger floorboard. Here's the bags on this side. Vulcan bags. There's the inside. Already saw this back here. Here you can see that the seat is in nice shape. Got the studs going on there. The grip. It's a pretty firm seat. I mean, it's definitely big enough and comfy enough, but it is on the firmer side. Got your backrest there. The studs over the top there. More the same with the rider seat, in nice shape. This is a little bit more comfy, I think, than the passenger seat, but still very similar. Again, got the studs around the side on both sides. Going up over the tank, it's in nice shape. There you can see your gauges. You got your clutch and all that stuff, mirrors, controls, throttle, all that. Turn this thing on so you can see that it does have 4,364 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this motorcycle, make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. Let's fire this thing up. Make sure that the turn signals work. Front here. There's one side. Over here. Got the other side. Checking the back. That one's working. And so is that one. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2010 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic 1700. It's got like 4,300 miles on it. Make sure you check out this bike on the website and check out the test drive on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching.